about healthy soup recipes. Eating healthy soups is one of the best ways of losing weight, and for good reason. In a nutshell, weight loss is calculated by the total calories consumed by eating and drinking, and the number of calories that you use through exercise, or just day-to-day living. The simple rule is that for losing weight you need to use a higher number of calories than you consume. This is the reason why healthy soup recipes work so incredibly well for losing weight, as they tend to be low in calories whilst being high in nutrition levels and taste. You will therefore be able to cut down on your calories quite dramatically by opting for soups in place of your regular meals. This is why they form the foundation of many very effective weight loss diets. Weight loss is not only about the quantities of food you eat. What and when you eat is also extremely important. Generally, people focus on cutting their carbohydrate intake, as after all, carbohydrates are what the body stores in the form of fat when it is not converted into energy. You also need to eat smaller meals at regular intervals to keep the metabolism of the body burning. Healthy soup recipes are extremely versatile and can fit perfectly to your dietary requirements. There are also quite a few simple recipes you can prepare in a large batch to store in the fridge and reheat whenever you want. This means you will not have to make several meals in one day, but you can still eat regularly and healthily. Preparing healthy soup recipes is quite simple, and you only need to avoid starchy vegetables such as potatoes, and avoid including noodles along with other high-carb ingredients. You need to focus on using green leafy vegetables which have low levels of carbohydrates as well as starch. Also, soups can be based on meat stocks such as chicken broth, but remember to ensure that all the fat is removed before actually preparing the soup. In a nutshell, it is quite simple to prepare large batches of healthy soup recipes which are low in carbohydrates. If you create large enough batches you can freeze it in portions, defrosting when you run out of soup in the fridge. This is one of the most feasible diet foods for weight loss. And by replacing regular heavy meals with portions of healthy soup, you are sure to experience noticeable weight loss effects. You will definitely be encouraged by the visible results, and therefore will be more likely to follow your diet. You can research on the internet about different healthy soup recipes, as there are a number of websites, blogs and articles published online. You may also refer to cookery books or magazines for recipes which suit your taste and help to maintain body fitness and nutrition levels. You can also consult a dietitian who will be able to guide you properly on the ingredients which are to be included in your healthy recipe. All about healthy soup recipes. Eating healthy soups is one of the best ways of losing weight, and for good reason. In a nutshell, weight loss is calculated by the total calories consumed by eating and drinking, and the number of calories that you use through exercise, or just day-to-day living. The simple rule is that for losing weight you need to use a higher